Hey, I'm Rachel with Gourmet Shut-In, and I'm going to show you how to sear chicken breast. These are the things you'll need. You got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Notice I'm keeping one hand clean the entire time. I'm gonna put this into a warm pan, skin side down. And with my clean hand, I'm gonna go back into that salt. And get a little bit of that pepper too. I want a nice crispy skin on them, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a little while. I'm even gonna put this lid on top. It's called chicken under a brick, but you know, you lie sometimes. And that's just gonna hold the top part of the breast down so they don't curl up a little bit. Allow your chicken breast to get nice and brown. It should be easy to lift and turn. If it sticks, allow it to keep cooking. So sometimes when you're searing off a chicken breast, you'll see these little tenders come off the back. I like to save these for lunch tomorrow. They're really good on top of a salad. They're delicious cold. Snacks are important. Heat up your saute pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and your thinly sliced onions. Saute until translucent and they start to caramelize. Remove them from the pan and add your Brussels sprouts cut side down with a little bit of butter. After they brown, add your onions back in and saute together. Before removing the chicken breast from the oven, make sure the thickest part of the breast is cooked to 155 degrees. While it rests, carryover cooking will raise the temperature to 165 degrees. So it's always nice to have a homemade soup. That way, after we take the chicken out of the pan, we can just throw that right in, and it's an easy and instant sauce. Right now, I have a cauliflower and preserved lemon, which is super tasty, but it's gonna be really good underneath this chicken. So I'm just gonna put a nice little spoonful down. Just swoop it, make it look fancy. We'll take our caramelized Brussels sprouts and onions, put them down on our plate, give us a little bit of height, and show off a little bit to your friends, or in this case, whoever you're living with, or yourself. And I've had this chicken out for about 3 minutes resting. I don't want all of the juices to pour right out of it. So if you're uncomfortable with your knife, you want to make sure that you're slicing away from yourself. So go down. I'm cutting a little bit on a bias. Woohoo! This chicken's hot. Even after 3 minutes, it's quite warm. Let me get all the way to there. Go fix our skin a little bit. Kind of run away from us. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slip my knife right underneath. And then just toss this chicken onto the plate. Now, if you have any fresh herbs, this is the time to hide your mistakes. If you can put it right up on the chicken breast, that's awesome. If you don't, we're at home. Just enjoy it. really hope that you love those Brussels sprouts and chicken breast. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.